This is the latest OnePlus 15, a premium flagship smartphone designed for users who want top-level performance, a clean design, and a powerful camera experience. The phone comes with a sleek matte finish on the back that not only looks elegant but also resists fingerprints, giving it a clean and professional appearance. The centered OnePlus logo adds to its minimal aesthetic, while the redesigned camera module in the top corner gives it a modern and distinctive identity. The build quality feels solid and premium, likely using a combination of aluminum frame and glass or high-quality composite material, making it both durable and lightweight in hand. On the front, the device is expected to feature a large AMOLED display with ultra-thin bezels, delivering a very immersive viewing experience. The screen likely supports a high refresh rate of 120 Hz or even higher, which makes scrolling, gaming, and animations extremely smooth. Colors are vibrant, blacks are deep, and brightness levels are high enough for outdoor visibility. This makes it perfect for watching videos, browsing social media, and gaming. Performance-wise, the OnePlus 15 is expected to be powered by a next-generation flagship processor, providing blazing fast speed and efficiency. Whether you are multitasking, playing heavy games, or editing videos, this phone handles everything smoothly without lag. It will likely come with multiple RAM options, such as 12GB or 16GB, along with fast storage that ensures apps load instantly and files transfer quickly. The camera setup on the back is one of the standout features. The multi-lens system is designed to capture high-quality photos in different conditions. You can expect a powerful main sensor for detailed shots, an ultra-wide lens for landscape photography, and possibly a telephoto lens for zoom capabilities. The camera is optimized for low-light photography, allowing you to take clear and bright pictures even at night. Video recording will likely support 4K or even higher resolution with stabilization, making it ideal for content creators. Battery life is another strong point, with a large battery that easily lasts a full day on a single charge. The phone supports fast charging technology, meaning you can quickly recharge your device in a short time. Wireless charging may also be included, adding extra convenience for users. The software experience is clean and smooth, running on the latest version of Oxygen OS based on Android. It offers a near-stock Android feel with useful customizations, smooth animations, and no unnecessary bloatware. This ensures a fast and user-friendly experience. Connectivity options include 5G support for ultra-fast internet speeds, along with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and advanced security features like an in-display fingerprint sensor and face unlock. The audio quality is also expected to be excellent, with stereo speakers providing a rich sound experience. Overall, the OnePlus 15 is a complete package that combines design, performance, camera, and battery into one powerful device. It is perfect for tech enthusiasts, gamers, and everyday users who want a reliable and premium smartphone experience.